Putting your savings in a bank is a really good way for you to keep your money secure. Aside from that, having a savings account at a bank also allows you to let your money grow with the interest that the banks offer. Different banks offer different interest rates, which is why you would need to compare the savings interest rates of the bank you chosen to the rates of the other banks. This way you would know which banks offer good interest rates. In order for you to decide on a bank, there are several things that you would need to determine first. You should first find banks that would serve your purpose in a location that is convenient for you. This way, you could get to deposit and withdraw from your savings conveniently. It makes no sense getting an account in a bank that is inconvenient for you to go to. Aside from the location of your bank, you should also know the details of the savings account that your bank offers. You can get to see their details at their website. If you prefer, you could even go to the bank and get details of their accounts. This way, you would be able to know the savings interest rates of the accounts that they currently have to offer. You should also try to check the other terms and conditions that they have for their products. For instance, the bank may initially offer very high savings interest rates, and after a few months, the interest rate plummets. You should thoroughly check their terms and conditions so that you would know what to expect from your savings account. You might also want to be careful about hidden charges that your bank may have. This way, you won't be surprised about the charges that your bank may impose on your account. If you already have an account at a bank, there are several ways that you could get to take advantage of the great savings interest rates that most banks offer. Some savings account may have lower interest rates while they age. This results in a savings account that does not earn much interest. However, there are some things that you could do to prevent this from happening to your account. One of the best things that you could do to prevent this from happening to your account is to upgrade your savings account to the latest full savings account from the bank. Upgrading to the newer accounts is really beneficial because it lets you take advantage of the savings interest rates of the new accounts. Usually, the interest rates for these are better compared to the older accounts. If you want your savings to grow, you should really keep your eyes open for the savings interest rates that your bank is offering. There are some banks that offer interest rates that diminish over time. Your money would no longer earn when it stays on the bank for a long time. If you want to entrust your cash in a savings account, make sure you have the terms covered so that you won't get any surprises. If you want to learn more about best savings interest rates, then make sure to visit www.savingsinterestrateinfo.com.